Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we are going to be learning how to match PDF documents into one. Please do not forget to subscribe. The first thing you need to do is type in the name of the site. So I'll quickly type in ilovepdf.com. It will take me directly to the site where I can match my PDF files. So on the top, click on Merge PDF. Then click on Select PDF Files button to select your PDF file. I'll select the first PDF file. Then click on the plus button to add another PDF file. So I'll quickly add another one. I just want to say here real quick that you can add as many as PDF files that you want. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to be adding two. So click on open. On the bottom right corner, click on merge PDF to merge your PDF document. Wait for it to upload. Okay, it's uploading. A bit slow. Done. Wait for it to finish merging. Then click on download merge PDF button to download your merged PDF document or your combined PDF document. Then click on the document to open it so that you can see your combined documents. Your combined PDF documents. Okay, just wait for it to load. Okay, you can see this is the first document. I'm going to be scrolling down to show you the second document. Yeah, this is the second document. So please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share. Thank you so much for watching.